Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening YouTube Studio because that's where watch time lives. Sign in, click your avatar and choose YouTube Studio. Do it now. Once inside, navigate to Analytics in the left menu. That's the gateway to watch time reports. Make sure you're looking at the correct channel and set the date range to the period you care about. If you have multiple channels, switch accounts first, because watch time is channel specific. This gets you straight to the data, without extra clicks. Next, find the watch time metrics inside Analytics. Choose Overview, then click Engagement to reveal watch time in hours and average view duration. You want to understand both total hours and per view averages, because hours show scale while averages show retention quality. Use the date picker to focus on last 28 days, 90 days, or a custom range. Then apply filters, playback location, traffic source, or video to isolate where watch time comes from. These steps let you see not just numbers, but what drives them. To finish, analyze patterns and take action. Export the CSV for spreadsheet work and compare top videos side by side. Look for low average view duration or steep drop-off points. Once identified, improve thumbnails, tighten the intro, add chapters or timestamps, and test different titles. If something seems wrong, no data or sudden loss. First, remove active filters, confirm you have analytics permissions, and allow 24 to 48 hours for processing. If issues persist, try another browser or clear cache before escalating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.